Taoiseach, for Grace Lynch, last Sunday began like any other, spending time with the family, having breakfast, talking about her plans for the day, texting friends, having the crack with her sisters and her baby brother. And then later on Sunday afternoon, Grace went to meet her boyfriend, and she never came home. As she crossed the Ratoath Road, a short distance from her home, Grace was mowed down by a scrambler bike, hit at full speed, at full force, throwing her body across the road. She was rushed to Connolly Hospital, where doctors desperately treated her catastrophic injuries, but it wasn't enough. And Grace Lynch died that evening. She was 16. A young woman with her whole life ahead of her, the apple of her father's eye and her mother's pride and joy. Killed on the road, in her own community, as she went about her everyday 16-year-old life. Every parent's worst nightmare, every family's worst nightmare, every young person's worst nightmare. So now, instead of preparing for school, her heartbroken parents prepare to bury their lovely daughter. Taoiseach, Grace Lynch was failed catastrophically. Scrambler bikes have been the scourge of working-class communities in Dublin and beyond for years. Neighbourhoods terrorised by antisocial behaviour involving these bikes is nothing new. Gangs driving scramblers dangerously, harassing, intimidating people, delivering drugs, countless accidents, and a constant sense of menace. But government failed to listen to communities and failed to take them seriously. So it was, in reality, only a matter of time before somebody was killed. And now that somebody has a name. Her name is Grace Lynch.